here we go again. Okay, same license plate, 96755TL. Oh, there's the special constable. The special constable's been here the whole time. No wonder the alarm went off. Because the special constables are part and parcel of the people who are see that white car. That white car. I'm gonna point. That white car over there, well, it's kind of hard to film with the phone, but see that white car on top of the concrete awning in the front? He's been here the whole time. So of course the fire alarm went off because, you know, the police like to, you know, they like to support these people.